put it off for a couple of days, but I was like, oh man. Okay, so I just got to get it over with one way or another. Don't get nervous, Range. That was the only dent in the box right there. So that thing cracked. That's what holds up the bike whenever you want to put it together. So we're going to have to manage without that. That's like a stand. Don't know how that cracked because there's no damage on the box at all. So let me get the zip ties chopped off of there and we'll look at it. I'm getting close. The hardest part was putting that damn headlight on. That was, every time I would turn the screw, it would try to walk away from me. So far that was the hardest part. It was fairly straightforward. It wasn't difficult at all. So, I mean, basically all you had to do was put on the handlebars and the headlight. And now I got to put the tire on. So it's really not that big a deal. But I will tell you that this battery is very, very heavy. It's a big battery. It's a big battery. I think it's a 48 volt, something like that. It's a big one. It's heavy. I would say it probably weighs at least 15 pounds. That would be my guess. All right, let me get that wheel on. All right, guys, there it is. It's complete. It's got the brake lights on there. See that? Got the headlight right there. Hopefully that came through on the camera. Yeah, it wasn't that bad. It took like an hour to put it together. So, yeah, it was pretty easy. I didn't want to bore you with there's a million of the put together videos on YouTube, so. Yeah. Good. Very nice. The build quality on it's very nice. It's quality materials. Okay, so the forks are steel. Right here is that powerful magnet I have. See? The frame is aluminum. The handlebars are aluminum. Yeah. Even the bike rack, the rack in the back, that's aluminum too. The only thing that's steel is the front forks. That's it. So, yeah, all right. I just wanted to check that out. Okay, I couldn't stand the curiosity got to me. Weighing this battery. Okay, here's the battery. Okay, it's 7.12 pounds. Okay, it feels like 20. Okay. All right, everybody, I have the build done. So it's all working perfectly. There's what I have on the front. I have the GoPro 9 mounted here on the front handlebar. And I have the little Session 5 on the helmet. Right there. And then here I got the 360 mounted on the back. Now, I'm a little leery of these poles because these poles can cause wobble, but we'll have to take a couple test runs and see how that